Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to mark a card as done in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to your Trello website and just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise you can just sign in up with your email and create a new account, and then you will need just to follow these simple steps. And basically, the first thing that we will need to do now is to access to one of your boards that you have in your workspace, so we can mark a card as done in our boards. And basically, you will need just to click on boards menu here in this navigation tab, and you will search for the list of your boards and choose any board that you want. And basically, here are my cards. And to mark a card as done, you have some ways to do so. So the first thing, either you are going to attribute a checklist for it, so it can be shown as like this, or you can attribute a color to it that is significant to you, or that will have a meaning of done, or you can have a label for it, or you can create a new list and name it done. So basically, I will show you how to do all these tips or tricks. So basically, we need to click on our card so we can expand it and have a more detailed view, and then we can label it as done if you want. So basically, we can have many, or I will just choose 3 labels. If you want to create more labels, you can just click on create. So let's have the green one as done. For example, I will give it the name done in progress. In progress. And this one will be undone or still undone, like that. And basically, when you complete in a task, you can just give it the label done by going to this customize icon and click on it and go to edit labels, and you can give it done. And basically, either you can leave only the color by clicking on the label, or you can show up the text. Otherwise, you can have some significance to your color card. So basically, I have this one as purple and this one as yellow. You can have it like that, change the cover, and as you can see, you can give it a green cover and give it a whole color if you want, like that. And it will mean that you have done your card. And when you go to an extended view, you will find all the other things. Otherwise, you can also try to add, let's just go back, go to color or change cover. Let's just give it a half cover. And you can add a checklist by going to checklist, click on the checklist, and then you will have the title and you will add it. And basically, it will start to add this checklist. Let's delete the older one, and I'm going to add an item, so 2, 3, 4, etc. And basically, you are going to see that our card is not done from this checklist. And we can just check all the items, and we will see that our card will be marked as done here. Or, as I said, the last solution is to add a new list that is called done cards, and whenever you complete any card, all you need to do is to move it to move and go to the same board and go to done cards, and it will be removed. So basically, those are the ways that you can do to done or to mark your cards as done in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.